Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural lollipops. First, combine 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, clear lollipop base. Ensure all your ingredients are measured precisely for the best results. Continue cooking the syrup without stirring, allowing it to boil gently. Watch the candy thermometer closely as the temperature rises. When it hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage, remove the pan from the heat right away. This precise temperature ensures your lollipops will be firm and not sticky. Be careful, as the syrup will be extremely hot. Once off the heat, quickly stir in your natural flavorings, such as a few drops of fruit extract and any natural food coloring you desire. Work swiftly, as the syrup will begin to cool and thicken. Carefully pour the hot mixture into your greased lollipop molds. Immediately place a lollipop stick into each mold, twisting slightly to ensure it's fully coated and secure. Let your freshly poured lollipops cool undisturbed at room temperature. This cooling process typically takes about 30 minutes or until they are completely firm. Once hardened, carefully pop them out of their molds. To keep your natural lollipops fresh and prevent stickiness, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. Now they are ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.